I was gonna go back to Eldorado Park, but then they're closed on Mondays. So I was looking through Yelp and I found Bolsa Chica Ecological Reserve, but it's raining, so I don't know how this is gonna go. So it seems like the rain is stopping. Maybe I could push through my hiking today. Okay, more update. Kind of started raining hard again, but we'll see. I'm still gonna try to see where I could go there. So I made it here, but it's still raining. I'm gonna probably go wait just to see if the rain will stop, because I really want to see the trail over there. And can't really see because of the raindrops. I ended up going down. It's just sprinkling a little bit, but this is how it looks here, or at least the starting point. Looks like a scene from a movie. I decided to just go down. Feels weird because I'm by myself. Like nobody's around here. I mean, there are some cars at the parking lot, but I don't know if they went down or if they just stayed in the car. There's a lot of clams there. I don't know if you can see it. Ooh. Yeah. So after going through that bridge, it leads to a trail, and I'll see where this one leads to. I'm not by myself. There's oh wait, where did she go? Oh, there, the old lady. Oh my god. Okay. This is how it looks here. It's like fences, all those birds. And then you can kind of go down here to see how it is. I'm hoping to see a starfish. I don't know if I can find one. And the rest of the trail. Oh, there's people there. Stay on trail. Sensitive wildlife. Oh, I forgot. I think there's a stingray around here. Spot a fish swimming. Oh, where'd it go? I think the trail ends over there. Right there. But I'm debating whether I should go there or not, because it might rain hard again. So I'll just go back maybe some other time when it's sunny, because it's getting windier and it might start raining hard. I don't want to get wet or anything, and maybe by then I might see more wildlife. It'll be sunny, and then I think the water will be clearer. But yeah, it's really peaceful here, and it's not that bad of a hike, well, technically, because it's just an easy trail. You're like literally just going straight. You don't have to go like up or down or anything like that. We're going to the beach.
Why are you looking down?
Because you're wearing shoes.
So? People wear shoes at the beach.
Well, I know, but you're gonna walk through the sand.
I can take off.
So we're here at 99 cents. I don't know if they have chinelas
or what would you
flip flops.
I was gonna say sandals.
No, but we'll try. I saw Dyson though. Maybe we could try going there. I don't think they have one here. Ooh, they have duffel bags.
We have what?
Duffel bags right there.
Duffel bags.
Yeah.
For my feet.
No. I know. There. Okay, let's walk around and see if they have one. We found it. So they actually have one here.
No, I don't see them.
Dora, where are you? They're like literally ready for summer. Oh, they have cute bathing suits.
I can wear these.
You're gonna get them. So we ended up getting this one, not the blue one, the camouflage. And now we're going to
Watch Avengers.
haha, very funny. The struggle.
Oh, true. Ah, smart. And it doesn't fit. Maybe like.
Yay, chinelas. That's so windy. Like literally nobody's
I don't think they
here.
can hear you. Oh, so windy.
You can hear all of it.
When I
Just one! Chef Earl. Just one. Thanks, Earl.
Wait, I brought the other.
Huling-huli ka sa camera. Hi, Kuya Johnson!
We're spinning bars so low key. Over it. Like, that means they didn't clean it right away. You play? You play? Oh, it's so.
What is that, Brainer? Or Braham? What is that? What is that right there?
It's nothing. It's nothing. He murdered.
One job! Okay. Oh my gosh.
Move out of the way! Man, I gotta do everything for you.
Walking home.
Hi. Wow, burger. Krusty Krab. Just kidding. How'd you like your burgers?
It's okay.
Let me see. No lettuce, no tomatoes.
The condiments are what makes it oh, it's over there.
Tasty.
Juicy.
So somebody went for seconds and now with chicken.
You. I'm just
You're eating it.
I'm just helping you clean the plate.
And then here they are watching Game of Thrones. You can't really see it.
Like all of them are white.
Yeah, you can't see it. The rest are eating. Hi. girl. Wait, are you? Can I even see you there? Hi guys.
Hello.
Hello. Nice to meet you. What you eating, John?
Bacon and a burger. No. Bacon burger. Bacon. We don't use C's here. The C's are for Calbo.
It's for that. I'm not unreasonable.
The sun is now up. Oh, fuck! It was dark earlier. Oh my god. What's dark? Hey, welcome to my vlog, day 1. Okay, what is your vlog, Leslie?
We're at the age right now. We're gonna go take pictures. Hey, welcome to our vlog. This vlog is called. Wait, this vlog is called Pain Girls. Pain Girls. Alright, we are the Pain Girls. So welcome to our life. Wait. Do it. I'm gonna run slowly. Hey, I'm tired.
I think that sun has something to do with this craziness. Kita pa natin. Di wow. Behind the scenes of them taking pictures. Wow! What is that, Lefty? Not like a crab.
Wait, 3, 2.
I can't run! Oh, the birds! Run! one. Oh my gosh, what is that?
Oh my gosh, this is Redford.
I'm not gonna. Let's go. I don't know. Let's go this way. Oh, let's go. I mean, we ate it.
Hi! We're in the
Girl has 5 followers.
If you guys need a photographer. Where's your fan?
There.
Hi.